Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Online Marble, and in this video I am going to show you a beautiful staircase design, and with that I'll also give you the information about it. So guys, this channel is managed by Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma, and this channel is in English. A lot of people are asking for English videos, so this is the English videos channel of Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma. So guys, as you can see how beautiful this staircase is, and this is 45 cutting molding is done on this, and I'm going to share the information about the stone name and the price also. Now as you can see, this is wood, and this is sal wood, and this design is made in MDF CNC. As you can see, this design is made in MDF CNC, and upon that wood deco paint is used. So you can have a look how this staircase will look in your house. Now the red color, light red stone which you're seeing is 10 brown. This is not the original stone. This is the copy of 10 brown, and the price of this in the wholesale market in Rajasthan is around 100 rupees per square feet. And this another stone you're seeing is P white. The white color stone which you're seeing is P white, and this is around 50 rupees per square feet in Rajasthan market. And the railing, as you can see, it looks so beautiful, and in this deco paint is used so that to give the wood the white color. This is also the same stone, 10 brown and P white. Now you can have a look how it will look from the upside. This is the look. This is the combination of P white and 10 brown. You can have a look how it will look in your house if you want something similar in your house. Now if you come a little front, you can see the entrance of the house. In that you're seeing the design that is done by running feet on labor rate. You can have a look how this color combination will look in your house, and you can see how the design is made in the CNC too. It looks beautiful. This is the sal wood. Sal wood is used in the railing, and this is the complete stone. This is the design of the stone. You can have a look from this one, and this is the another stone. This is P white. So guys, thank you so much. Hope you guys are liking my videos. Do like and share and subscribe to this channel, and let's have a look. See, this is the window. This is the look from inside the house, and this is the view from downwards.